Google Analytics is a tool that allows you to analyze your website traffic to see how many visitors you're getting, where they are coming from, what pages they are visiting most, and so much more. Hi, I am Leonard from WP Staging, and in this video I am going to show you how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress website in a few minutes. First things first, Google Analytics is available for free, and all you need is a Google account to sign up. We need to visit Google Analytics Sign Up. Therefore, we go to google.com/analytics. Click on the button Start for free. The setup wizard will ask you to log in with your Google account. If you already have a Google or Gmail account, then you can use that to sign in. Otherwise, you can go ahead and create a Google account for yourself. Once you sign in with your Google account, you will be prompted to this welcome screen. Click on Start Measuring. After that, you will be asked to provide an account name. I'll enter WP Staging here. Google will use this account name internally, so you can use anything like your real name or business name. Make sure that all checkboxes are selected and click on Next. On the next screen, the property details, you need to enter your website name, time zone and currency. Since my test website is tutorial.wp-staging.com, I enter tutorial WP Staging here. At this point, it is crucial to take a look at the advanced options and click on Create a Universal Analytics Property. Google has been offering two different tracking models. The old model is called Universal Analytics and the new Google Analytics 4. The new model offers the advantage of tracking the traffic in Android and iOS apps. However, this new model is of no interest to us as our WordPress website is not an app. Monster Insights, the plugin that we are going to install in the next step, cannot establish a connection when both the Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics codes are created. So we need to select the second option, Create a Universal Analytics Property only. To confirm the selection, enter the URL of your website. Pay attention to the beginning of your URL and choose HTTPS if your site has an SSL certificate. In the next setup step, Google asks for some information about your company to better assign and process the data. Enter your industry, select the number of employees, and choose what you would like to use Google Analytics for. At this point, I'll select all possible answers. Once you have entered this information, click on the Next button. You will now see the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement and the data processing conditions of Google Analytics, which you must agree to. So click on the I agree button. Now Google will present you with your Google Analytics tracking code. I suggest leaving the Analytics browser tab open, as you may need to revisit it to copy the tracking code once you have installed the plugin on your WordPress site. Now that you have set up a Google Analytics account, let's look at how to install Google Analytics on WordPress. If you like this video, I am happy if you give me a thumbs up at this point and subscribe to my channel. The first thing you need to do is to install and activate the Monster Insights plugin. Open the plugin repository by clicking on Plugins and Add New. Monster Insights is the most popular Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. Over 3 million websites use it. Let's get started. Upon activation, the plugin will open the Monster Insights dashboard. Click on Launch the wizard. First, Monster Insights asks to choose a category for your website, a business website, blog or online store. Select one and then click on the Save and Continue button. Next, you need to click on the Connect Monster Insights button. This click will bring up a pop-up to select your Google account. Make sure that you choose the account that you used to create the Google Analytics account. Next, Monster Insights asks you to allow access to your Google Analytics account. Click on the Allow button to continue. The final step is to select the profile you want to track. Select your website and then click on the Complete Connection button to continue. Monster Insights will now install Google Analytics on your website. After that, Monster Insights asks you to select the recommended settings for your website. The default settings would work for most websites. If you use an affiliate link plugin, you need to add the path you use to cloak affiliate links. The setting will allow you to track your affiliate links in Google Analytics. Next, Monster Insights will show you paid add-ons that you can access if you upgrade to Pro. You can click on the Save and Continue button to skip this step. After that, Monster Insights asks you to install the WP Forms plugin, which is indeed a good WordPress plugin to create a contact form. Check out our video in the upper right corner or in the video description to learn how to create a good looking contact form easily. For now, click on Skip this step. That's all. You've successfully installed and set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site. Remember, it will take Google Analytics some time before showing your stats. To view your Google Analytics reports inside your WordPress dashboard, visit Insights and Reports to check out a quick overview of your analytics data. It also comes with a popular post add-on that allows you to show your top performing content to boost your traffic and page views. After we've connected Google Analytics with WordPress, we check whether Google Analytics is running correctly. Open an incognito window in your browser and type in your website domain. Then refresh the dashboard in Google Analytics. Now you should see that there is one active user on your website. This one user indicates that we have set up Google Analytics correctly. Thanks for watching the video. After you've successfully set up Google Analytics, subscribe to this channel to not miss my next detailed video on how to rank better on Google by improving your WordPress SEO, which I am currently working on. See you on the next video. Lennart and out.